Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to be doing some crafting, fall home decor shopping, and if we get lucky with the shopping trip, then I'll be decorating as well. This portion of today's video is sponsored by Cricut, so I have to give them a really big thanks for that. Now for this project, I'll be using my new Cricut Maker 3 along with the Easy Press 3. Cricut makes smart cutting machines that works with an easy to use app to help you design and personalize a variety of things such as apparel, custom cards, objects, and so much more. The machine is easy to use, you don't need design experience, and you can learn as you create. Now, I consider myself a beginner when it comes to crafting with a machine, so I'm going to share a simple iron-on DIY. I have some plain napkins and I want to add a cute fall design on them. I downloaded the free Cricut Design Space on my phone, but you can also access the Design Space on your desktop. There are hundreds of images to choose from and you can filter through them to narrow down your search. I saved some images that I found from just searching fall in the search bar. I'm going to select this infinity leaf design and add it to my canvas. Next, I'm going to size it to fit the napkin in a folded state. This is just to show you the process when doing an iron-on project. Maybe I'll go back and add this design to the entire bottom half of the napkin, but for now I'm just gonna do this, one section. Now all I have to do is tap make it, and because I'm using Cricut's smart material, I don't need to use a mat when loading my vinyl. Now before you tap next, you want to make sure you go and mirror the image. That's what you have to do when you're creating an iron-on project. The last thing I have to do is select a smart iron-on and load my vinyl with the shiny side down. You can see which tools are required for your project. I only need the fine point blade and clamp B, but it already comes installed in the machine. Now once the paper is installed, the blinking button needs to be pressed so that the machine can check and make sure you have enough length for the design. When it's good to go, what looks like the play button will blink and you'll press it to start cutting your picture. When it's done cutting, that first button will start blinking again and it has to be pressed in order to release the paper. I did go back and duplicate the picture to the rest of the vinyl, making sure to keep the space free where I already had the one picture cut. I didn't want to waste the space. I should have done that from the beginning, but you learn as you go. Now all I have to do is remove the excess vinyl, and this weeding tool really helps with peeling that vinyl up. To apply the vinyl to fabric, I'm using my Cricut Easy Press 3. I downloaded the Cricut Heat app and connected my Easy Press to it because you can input all of your materials and the app will look up your heat settings and send it to your Easy Press machine. So I'm going to select the Start New Project and scroll down to Smart Iron-On, and then I'm going to select 100% cotton for my fabric, and you can see it'll give you a recommended heat setting. I'm going to tap Send Setting to Easy Press and wait for the machine to preheat. I have to preheat my fabric as well for 5 seconds before placing my vinyl on it. And then I'm going to take my Easy Press and apply pressure over the fabric for 30 seconds. The machine will count down and beep when it's done. Now it does need to cool down before removing the transfer tape, and once it's cool to the touch, you just peel it off and you're done. Now this was a very quick and easy project to do, and I just love using the Cricut machines and apps to help me with these type of DIYs. And if you're interested in getting your hands on one, I will have the link in the description box, so definitely check it out. And I have have to give Cricut another thanks for sponsoring this portion of today's video. All right, we're gonna head over to Ross now and check out all of their fall home decor. Alright, so I'm about to wrap up this video. I did not buy anything this time around. I'm not really looking for pumpkins because I don't want too many of those around. Ross did have some really great finds, but I'm gonna keep looking. I want fall stems to put in all of my vases, so I'm gonna try Home Goods for that, or maybe Michael's, and if that fails, I can always just go on Amazon. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you do so. That'd be so awesome. And I will keep you guys updated on like this, you know, fall decorating around the house, because I really do want to like do something this year, since I didn't get the chance to do it last year. We were in the process of moving. But that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.